In Metabase version 60, we released our official MCP server. Let me show you. Let's connect the official Metabase MCP server to Claude Desktop. So I'll come over here to Settings, and then we'll go to Connectors, and we'll say Add Custom Connector. For the name, we'll say Metabase. For the remote MCP server URL, I'll paste that in. But this is your instance URL followed by /API/MCP, and I'll go ahead and click Add. Next, we'll click Connect. This is going to open up Metabase so we can authorize Claude. I'll click Authorize, and this is going to be scoped to my permissions, and I'll say Open Claude. And then the next thing we'll do is we'll go to Configure, and it says needs approval, so we can change this to always allow. And then let's go ahead and go to a chat. I'm going to copy over a prompt, and this just says, how many orders are in the orders table? So you can see Claude is getting to work on this. It's executing a query, it's loading tools, running another query, and it says there are 18,760 orders in the orders table. So just like that, we've set up our official Metabase MCP server with Claude Desktop. If you want to learn more, make sure you check out the docs. Cheers!